Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can use Google Maps offline. For instance, if you don't have any access to the internet via Wi-Fi or mobile data on your Android. And there's a simple trick how you can access maps on Google Maps even when you're offline. So let me show you how to do that, guys. So in the first step, launch Google Maps on your Android. And what you want to do, guys, is turn on the internet connection on your phone, because we're going to download a couple of maps from Google Maps to use them offline later. So let me show you how to do that. So once you're on the home screen of Google Maps, simply find a location you would like to save for using offline. So let me go, for instance, with that area here, downtown of Barcelona. And what you want to do after that, guys, is zoom in or zoom out, for instance, to locate the given location. And after that, simply tap on your profile icon in the top right corner and select offline maps from the following drop-down menu. That is going to take you to this list of saved offline maps. Now, to save the given location as an offline map, simply tap on select your own map here at the bottom, or alternately access one of the already downloaded offline maps listed here above, like your home location or other specific locations, by tapping on the three dots here to the right and by selecting view. Now, to prove to that, guys, that you can access these maps also when you're offline, simply let me turn off my internet connection, my Wi-Fi connection, really quickly. And after that, simply again tap on these three dots here next to the map you would like to access. Tap on view here, and there you go. As you can see, I am now given access to that area or location here even when I'm offline. And the greatest aspect of this is, guys, you can even search and navigate through the saved location or area by simply tapping on it and by zooming in or zooming out or by moving through this area. Of course, only to some extent, only within the area you saved as an offline map, of course, which should be pretty self-explanatory. So guys, to save a specific location as an offline map, let me show you how to do that. Let me turn on my Wi-Fi connection again really quickly, and after that tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, select offline maps from that drop-down menu. Tap on select your own map here at the bottom. Locate the area you would like to save as an offline map. So let me move the map here around slightly like that. So let me locate, for instance, downtown Barcelona. And what you want to do after that, guys, is tap on download here at the bottom. As you can see, the offline map to be downloaded is going to take up to 45 MB of space on my device. That file size may depend on a variety of factors, including, for instance, the area specifics, or if you zoom in or zoom out. So tap on download, for instance, and after that wait for the download process to be finished. That may or may not take a moment depending on the file size, of course. And once the download has been finished, guys, you see the download process here at the bottom. Simply tap on these three dots here and access the downloaded map by clicking on view here whenever you're offline with your phone. You may also rename it or customize it by tapping on that pencil icon here at the top, or delete the offline map. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you use Google Maps offline. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.